Make sure that you don't get sauce on that chicken skin you worked so hard for. It's tender, it's juicy. It's picked up the flavor of all that tomato. And you can see the sauce has reduced down. It smells so good. Vegetables actually come into play. So I'm going to add our roasted red bell peppers. And then from here, I'm going to add our roasted carrots and potatoes. At this moment would be the perfect time to return your chicken thighs back into the dish. It looks like Christmas in a pot.
That's right, we're doing breakfast for dinner. Although technically this was originally a dinner that became a breakfast. So I guess we're really doing dinner for breakfast for dinner. But regardless of when you serve this North African dish, it's always comforting and delicious and never not... Never not fun to say. In fact, sometimes when I'm not even making this, I'll just yell for no apparent reason, shakshuka. And now that you know about this, I'm assuming you'll probably do the same. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started.